Okay, so I've summarized all the important things here. So pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy. Okay, let's get into it. Now, I'm going to draw my axes in the blank space here. But I want to look at my numbers given in the points here. Given in these points here, I want to look at these numbers here and choose my axes intelligently. Try to maximize space usage. So you'll notice I have not a whole lot going on above the x-axis. So I'll put my x-axis way up here. And there's a little bit happening to the left of the y-axis. Actually, there's a lot happening to the left of the y-axis, isn't there? Oh no, just this, just the inflection point. So I'll put this axis like that. And 2, we got a 5. So I'm going to try to put my 5 way over here. 5. That's tricky. 2, 3. Try to make this reasonable. Ooh, not too shabby. Not too shabby. So bear with me while I put these notches in here. I want to go down to -6. So I'm going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm satisfied. All right, so let's put these numbers, or these points rather. So we got 0, 0. Graph that guy. 5, 0. Plot that guy. 2 and roughly -5. 2 and -5 almost. So here-ish. Whatever. -1, -6. Which is roughly here. And that's going to have to be an IP, which is going to be tricky. All right, what else we got? Maxes and mins. So we got a min at 2 and -4.75. And I'm concave up there. So some kind of min like this. Now the max is tricky. The max at 0, 0 is tricky. It is a strange thing. Because look what's happening. I'm increasing before and then decreasing after. Okay, so it's a max. But I'm concave down and then concave up afterwards. So concave down looks like, oops, cancel that, sorry. I'm looking actually here, aren't I? So at 0, 0, x equals 0, I'm concave up before, and I'm also concave up afterwards. So the picture we're looking at is something like concave up before, and also concave up after. See what I'm saying? So it's not a normal looking concave up. It's what we would call a cusp. Okay, a cusp we saw earlier. It's where a derivative, the first derivative, does not exist. And we can see by looking at the first derivative, you can see that at x equals 0, the first derivative does not exist. Okay, so at the origin here, we have a cusp-shaped thing happening. So I have to be concave up. Ooh, it's too. To be concave up, and then I have to go all the way down here. At -1, at this inflection point, I'm going to be switching from concave up to concave down. That's going to be a little bit tricky, but let's see if I can do it. So concave up, 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 up. Oh, I'm wavering. concave up, down, 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 down. Okay. Sometimes less is more. Just stop it there. So I'm trying to say concave up and then concave down. Okay, connecting the dots. So as I said, here at this origin, we have a cusp. So it's something like that happening. Because I'm concave up before, and I'm also concave up afterwards. And then I have to come down to this minimum point here. It's not too bad, I can do that, right? Oh, let's see. Oh boy, that looks too straight. Oh. Here's 2 here, so I'm going to be increasing and concave up here as I go from the point there to my intercept up here. So let's do that. Oh, why can't I? Too much coffee. Can't keep my hand straight. Ooh. Let's see what I can do. Make this pretty. I'm gonna make it pretty. Ooh. Oh no, that's not good. Forget it. All right. Maybe a little bit more over here, just to get this. Okay, it should be increasing and concave up after that point. Okay, so as I've said many times, you are connecting the dots in an intelligent way. This one features a strange thing happening at the origin. But if you're careful with your intervals here, you can see it coming. Okay, I'm decreasing. Nope. I am increasing and then decreasing as I go through the origin. And I am concave up before and concave up afterwards. So I get this cusp happening here. So what I usually do is connect the dots in an intelligent way and then just make sure that everything here agrees with what I've drawn here.